this court, the recording just 6.5 billion. Isn't that a big enough mistake for us to understand?
That's exactly what I've submitted. Section 5 is covered under entry 50.
So you are trying to resolve that. Why? I don't know. I mean, they don't argue the case. I don't know why we're not proceeding. We love quoting American presidents. Why don't we quote the American president, which the Supreme Court of America says 20 minutes and nothing more? Now, you are not, please don't take questions. You just hear them, write them down, whatever.
Now, my lord, I just stick to the submission that I had made in the beginning. Mr. Amir Rahman is the person who is recording the question.
Attorney General.
अब आप देखिए हम आज से सुबह से कोई 150 cases की addition हो गई होगी because of this case. We can hear this case for the next month. No other work will happen in the Supreme Court. If you want the system to collapse, please proceed. Take your time. We won't interrupt. ख्वाजा साहब नाराज हो कहते हैं, अब आप नाराज हो जाएंगे, मुझे बोलने दे रहे हैं, पॉइंट्स ले हम नोट करेंगे, हम आपको सुनने के लिए बैठे हैं, आपने इतनी मोटी चीजें दी, हम पढ़ लेंगे इनको.
Now I just quickly rush through my submissions and
my question that in order 11 the use of the word law, the term law, you think it carries the same meaning as in Article 191?
Yes.
Thank you.
Now, my lord, if leaving this act out of the Article 191 would render part of Article 191 redundant where it says subject to law. And redundancy cannot be attributed lightly to a statute, let alone a constitutional provision. The judgments are in the paper book. My lord, there was another submission which was made with regards to field being occupied, which is to say that since the rules had been made, therefore the field stood occupied and therefore a law cannot be made. Now, that principle also does not apply because that principle is only applicable where the powers are coextensive or coterminous. Here, the Constitution specifically says that the rules shall be subject to the Constitution and the law. It can't be. So therefore, the principle of the doctrine of occupied field does not get attracted here. Now, my lord, if I may take your lordships to the individual provisions of the statute before I conclude my submissions. Section 2, my lord.